monster up move in gold. We knew it, we made money with it, but this is only the beginning. However, we need to look at some critical levels to prepare ourselves tactically for the next leg up in the gold bull markets. We will make money. Let's talk about it.
Welcome to Hot Trades of the Day, your show for swing trading ideas for the coming days, weeks and month.
So, first, some housekeeping. An apology is in order. There was no video on Wednesday. I'm in Egypt right now for much needed vacation, though obviously, as you can see, I am doing the videos. I'm following the markets closely. That doesn't change when you're checking out the pyramids or crawl into the pharaoh tombs and Luxor. But yeah, I caught the stomach bug. So that knocked me out cold on Wednesday. As you can see, I'm fine now. Thank you. That was a much needed improvement health-wise. Now we're back to the regular schedule of Monday, Wednesday, Friday. In case you're a new listener, that's when we come out with the new videos. However, there was no video on Wednesday. Obviously, I owe you a video because obviously here, Bull Markets Lifestyle, we keep our words, we keep our promises. We gonna deliver on them. So that means there's a bonus video coming this weekend that the gold fans among you should really watch. It will, if you understand the message, make you a lot of extra money in the stock market. But that's the weekend. Now we're talking today. Let's jump right into the gold charts. So here's the gold chart. Look at the up move we got this week. Fantastic. So I did try to do a video on Wednesday when I was sick, and I was talking about this massive buy signal here. I couldn't send it out. It was not good enough. Didn't hit our quality standards, but this was the big buy signal. Obviously, if you've been following this channel for a month, you're familiar with this important resistance zone. We have been bullish on gold since it tested the uptrend here, confirmed, then broke the downtrend, then broke this resistance zone. We are off partying. How are things looking now? So we're getting overextended here in the RSI, as you can see, and every time we reach this level, which was here where we had a minor correction, right? Very little, which was here we have a medium correction. Obviously here we had a big correction, which I do not see coming at all. Here, minor correction. Here, minor correction. So RSI signal, very, very accurate for the top. This will also coincide with the all-time high. Let's make this color, which is very close to the midpoint of the uptrend. So this is basically the upside potential for the move that's happening right now. Let's not get too crazy. Let's not jump into conclusions about gold price 3,000. It's coming, but not yet. I expect us to stall out here, to have a small correction, because what we have seen since the beginning of the year is that, look at this, the correction phases have been extremely short and small, usually 1 or 2 days only. No additional selling pressure. Here, this was the only one, and it got bought up right away. This is extremely bullish. This is extremely bullish for gold. The setup is excellent, right? So I expect a situation where we're going to correct, maximum retest of the broken resistance zone, and then we're heading up to the upper end of this uptrend channel, which probably will be somewhere between 2,940 and 2,980, depends when we get there, how fast we get there. And then we will readjust. But that is what we're looking at with gold right now. It looks excellent. It is very, very interesting how strong gold is looking, considering how good the equity market started the year, how high the risk levels are with investors, which we can see in the crypto markets. And we are seeing beginning weakness in the dollar, but we haven't seen it yet. So this is the dollar right now. As you can see, it broke the uptrend. That's bearish for the dollar. We've been talking about this, ladies and gentlemen. We've been talking about the dollar topping out and weakening after Trump starts the presidency. Usually in the Trump presidency, Trump prefers a weak dollar. And now you can see it's starting to roll over. Really nothing has happened. We have just corrected this major move, right? So that's why I'm saying nothing major has happened. But this is the fuel for the gold price. And you can see this also, if we look at silver, you see silver hasn't participated in the gold rally nearly as much. But silver is getting interesting. This is the one we need to keep an eye on. Look at this. We're getting in the tip top of this triangle formation right here. And we're going to have a breakout to the upside or the downside in silver. If it goes to the upside, have your buy orders ready for silver. Silver is going to catch fire. Now it's really going to start running once we take out this zone right here, right? 32 to 30, 32.62. Let's make it like 33. Let's make it an even 33. We get over this, we close above this, it's party time in silver. However, I would like to point out another precious metal that's really interesting to follow, palladium. If you've seen my video, know this is my hot commodity trade for 2025, and it's starting off hot, all right. Look at this rally. It looks fantastic. It's not as overextended in the RSI as you can see down in the bottom as is gold. However, here as well, we are starting to get into this resistance zone. I expect a correction that probably, if I look at the charts, I would draw a support zone around here. So I'm doing this live right now. So this might be, here we go. So this is the support zone I would draw to. It's palladium starting to look good. It's gaining strength. This is what we want to see. However, the miners, the gold miners, just starting to catch up. They had been disappointing considering the performance of gold. Now they're starting to catch up. So we want to keep a close look on the miners. The alpha, ladies and gentlemen, in precious metals is going to be made now in silver, palladium, and the gold miners. The silver miners will follow once silver breaks above 33 on the close. This is what the alpha said. We'll make a lot of money in gold. We already made a lot of money in gold because we have been bullish in gold and we are right about it. But the alpha, this is where the alpha is. Junior miners, silver, palladium, or some really interesting gold stocks. And I want to talk about A-mark precious metals. I owe this analysis to a loyal viewer. To be honest, it's my bad. I completely dropped the ball on the analysis. I forgot about it a couple of times. So that means you, valued viewer, you get a free one. Okay, you got a 2-for-1. So it's anytime you have another stock that you would like for me to take a look at chart-wise, please, I'm here. Just drop the name in the comments. I know who you are. You get to the analysis right away. But no, A-Mark, what do we have here? This is really interesting. So A-Mark, for the people that are not familiar with this stock, which a lot of people are not, is a precious metal retail seller. They sell coins, they sell bullions, and it's an interesting chart because, as you can see, we've been going sideways for 3 years now. And every time it hit this bottom zone, this blue zone here, it has been a great buy because there have always been swing trades up. And it's a really smart move by the viewer to point this out and ask, hey, we have reached this zone again. Is the stock a buy? And I would say purely on the charts, we're getting there. However, what I do not like, and I would like to point out also, let me draw this in here real quick. Look at this. Positive divergence in the RSI. Oh, we like this. This is nice, right? Now, I do not like this recent weakness while the gold price is going up. But what I really do not like is this earnings season coming up on February 7th. And as you can see, the company has missed earnings in 4 of the 5 past quarters. So while the basic idea is very, very good, you buy in the support zone, which has proven to be a great buying opportunity for a swing trade, I would not do it before the earnings season. I would wait for it. The ideal area to buy has always been this midpoint or the lower end of the support zone. If we get there after the earnings are out of the way and that's behind us, so this risk factor is taken care of, which is very, very important, then I would be interested in getting in on a long swing trade. But that is a good trade to keep on the watch list. That's it for today. Enjoy your weekend. Bonus episode coming tomorrow. Talk to you later. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.